Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. 25 centavos guys na iba't ibang uri. Share ko lang ang tungkol dito guys sa ating 25 centavos. During Spanish administration, coins value at 1/4 a Spanish dollar or peso or 2 reales issued by Spain and Spanish America were generally accepted in the Philippines for 25 centimos. Following the 1864 reales of the 20 centimo coin. However, 25 centimo denomination was not issued until the end of the Spanish and American administration. The first coin of the independent Philippines to be worth a quarter of a peso was issued in 1958 as 25 centavos. Its obverse featured a woman near volcano. The denomination was written in English round edge outside with the year of the button. On the reverse was the coat of arms of the Philippines, and around it the inscription Central Bank of the Philippines. The last issue of the coins was in 1966. At ito yun guys, ang Independence English series. In 1958, minting of the centavo resumed with another coat of arms on the reverse. The inscription around the coat of arms was changed to Central Bank of the Philippines, Filipino series. In the 1969, the coin featured the Tagalog language for the first time. Its obverse featured Juan Luna. Ito yun guys, Juan Luna, a Filipino painter, sculptor, and political activist of the Philippine Revolution during the late 19th century. In the profile to the left, the inscription around the shield of its reverse read Republika ng Pilipinas. Ito yung reverse niya guys, Republika ng Pilipinas, meron year na 1971. At ito rin yung guys, ang bagong lipunan series, a second silver colored coin featuring Luna was minted from 1975 to 1983. The name of the Republic was moved to the obverse. On the reverse, read the inscription, ang bagong lipunan. The issues from 1979 to 1982 feature the mint mark underneath the 25 centavo. At ito rin yun ang ating Flora and Fauna series from 1983 to 1994. The new gold color was issued with Luna face to the right in profile, and the denomination was moved to the reverse with a date on the obverse. The Philippine butterfly was also featured on the obverse. Two kinds to guys, merong large type at saka small type. At ito rin yung BSP coin series natin guys, issued from 1995 to 2003 in brass, composition niya brass, and from 2004 to 2018 brass plated steel. The 25 centavo coin featured the name of the Republic, date of issues, and the denomination of the obverse. The reverse side featured the 1993 logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And the new generation coin, at ito rin yung new generation currency coins series natin guys, issue in 2018 and minted in nickel plated steel. The 25 centavos coin features a stylized representation of the Philippines flag, the 3-star, and the sun. The denomination and the year of the minting of the obverse. Ito rin yung reverse niya guys. Side features the Katmon, the Linea Philippines, and the current logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. In 1958 hanggang 1967 guys, English series, ginamitan ito ng nickel brass at tumitimbang ito ng 4.8 grams. In 1967 hanggang 1975, nickel brass naman ang kanyang composition at ang 1969 hanggang 1974 ay Filipino series na at may 4 grams ang kanyang timbang. Ang 1975 hanggang 1983, copper nickel na 4 grams kanyang timbang at ito ay yung bagong lipunan series. In 1983 hanggang 1991, brass color niya, colored gold, 4 grams din ang kanyang timbang. Ito na yun ang Flora and Fauna series from 1983 hanggang 1990, large type butterfly. 1991 hanggang 1994, ito yung small type butterfly, tapos brass din ang kanyang color. From 1995 hanggang 2004, brass din ang composition niya guys. Wala na ang mukha ni Juan Luna, may timbang din siya na 3 grams. BSP series coins nito guys hanggang 2017. At ang 2004 hanggang 2018, composition niya is brass plated steel. May 3 grams din siya na timbang niya. Weight 3 grams. Ito na yung new generation currency coin series. At hanggang 2018, the present, nickel plated steel na composition niya. Tapos meron din siyang grams na 3 grams. Sa kanilang presyo guys, mula sa ating EB at saka sa carousel, ang 1958 hanggang 1967 English series guys, ay meron naka-display na 2,500 sa EB. 1969 hanggang 1974 Filipino series, meron din sa EB na $150. Ang 1975 hanggang 1983, ang bagong lipunan, to 200 pesos lang sa EB. Taas. Itong 1983 hanggang 1990, ang Flora and Fauna series na butterfly na large type, 200 lang guys ang kanyang price doon. At ang 1991 hanggang 1994 na small type, meron siyang 400. Ang bagong lipunan 1975 hanggang 1983 ay 200 pesos. Flora and Fauna series na large type na butterfly is 500 pesos. 1985 hanggang 2017 BSP series, meron siyang presyo na 392 dun sa EB rin. At ang ating new generation currency, itong 25 centavos na Catmon 2018, meron siyang 2,500 pagka error. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos. God bless sa ating lahat.